Welcome to Berkshire Used Cars and our latest video for this Audi A6 Avant. This is the 2-litre TDI Ultra S-Line Black Edition. It's the 7-speed S-Tronic. The car was first registered 21st of January 2018 on a 67 registration. Just the one owner from new, which was Volkswagen Financial Services. The car's completed just over 50,700 miles with a full Audi and specialist service history comprising 6 visits in total. The last oil service was done by an Audi specialist in March 22 at 50,700 miles. It had inspection service along with gearbox oil done and the fuel filter with North Wales Audi in Jan 22, also at 50,000 miles, and the MOT runs through until the 6th of November 2022 with no advisories. The car is finished in Tornado Grey Metallic. It's a Euro 6 diesel engine producing 190 brake horsepower. Manufacturer's claimed average of 58.9 to the gallon. 121 grams of CO2, which equates to £155 a year. And a very good set of premium brand Pirelli P0 tyres. Fronts are on 5.8 and 6mm of tread, and the rear tyres are on 5.7 and 5.9mm of tread. As with the exterior on this Audi A6, the interior likewise is in very good condition for its age and mileage. Features a full leather interior. The front seats are heated. Both of them are electrically operated. The driver has the memory function. Electric windows to the front and rear. Electric folding wing mirrors. Parking aid to the front and rear. Automatic LED all-weather headlights with LED daytime running lights and automatic windscreen wipers. It's got the flat-bottomed multi-function steering wheel with paddle shift. Cruise control, satellite navigation, AM/FM radio, as well as DAB radio, CD player, as well as the AMI, the Audi music interface. Twin SD card slots and Bose speakers make up this very high level of specification. The A6 features privacy glass as well as the upgraded 20-inch alloy wheels. The car is now fully prepared for sale and ready to be driven away the same day as viewing. It will be supplied with book pack, both remote control keys, full set of tailored carpet mats. The boot cover is present, as is the space saver spare wheel, along with all of the tools and the locking wheel bolt, as well as a full printout of the Audi digital service history. Thank you for watching this latest video, and should you have any questions, please do not hesitate to get in touch, or alternatively do visit our website, which is berkshireUsedCars.co.uk, where you'll find full information regarding warranties on offer, customer testimonials, part exchange valuation form, as well as our interactive finance calculator with the ability to apply for a low rate loan online in minutes. Online reservation facility is also available. Thank you for watching this latest video.